And then what I'm going to show you is our really powerful trim and extend function on our clip page. Let me quickly show you this clip.
Well, this is like what I tell myself. This is my mantra, like, the things to tell myself that I love myself, that I'm worth it, that I'm so proud of myself. And things like that is something that I've never experienced before. And yeah, understanding my value was the biggest lesson.
Perfect. So what was driving you before you came to that conclusion?
Well, this is...
Oh, right. Yeah. We got this like wonderful clip from Jenny. So we see that there's a question of the interviewer at the end, right? Say that I don't want the sentence from the interviewer to be in this clip. What I can do on the clip page really fast is that I can click on this trim or extend comment. And you see the selected sentences and scenes for the clip right here. And I can just simply, deselect the last sentence that the interviewer was asking. And then after selecting out the ones and the things that I really like, and then deselecting the sentence I don't want, I can simply click save. And after loading, it will automatically give me the clip that I want. Awesome. Okay. And then another feature that I want to show you is how to schedule or publish or post directly on Vizard. So say I want to publish clip number 2 and clip number 3. I can just click on them, and then I could click bulk schedule. I can also bulk download them if you don't want to post anywhere, and then you just want to save the clips to yourself. And then after you click bulk schedule, this will lead you to a page where you can manage your social media accounts, and you can select the number of clips that you want per day, and also the post start date and the post start time. All right, so let me go back to just selecting one of them and then show you how the description is generated automatically on Vizard. So if you hit publish here, let's give it some time. And here, a description of the post will automatically be generated for you. So here, it says that referencing countless sources led to that singular defining moment. Shakespeare's As You Like It. The title itself became the entire mission. I made a personal vow then. So this is what Jenny is talking about in this clip. She was talking about Shakespeare's As You Like It, and how that is related to her album. And if you can make adjustments to the description simply by typing down what you want to type, and you can also simply delete the sentences that you don't really like. Hashtags are also automatically generated for you, and you can also add them or remove them as you wish. And if you click on this little icon over here, you can select the tone and voice. So I selected serious and first person so that you can see this whole description is generated from a first person perspective, as if Jenny is telling the story. And you can also choose the thumbnail over there. You can choose a frame for your thumbnail inside the video. And below there is, you can select the time to post and to schedule. And you can also select your channels that you want to publish to. If you click on the manage settings here, it will direct you to the setting where you can set up your social account. So we support 6 different platforms, including TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, and LinkedIn. And we support up to 20 accounts to be connected. Say that I have 3 TikToks and 5 YouTube accounts that I want to manage. I can add them all into Vizard, and Vizard will automatically help me schedule all the clips right there. All right. So if I hit schedule, then we'll on calendar. This is my calendar. This is how my calendar is looking like. So it will show me the feed week or month view of my calendar. It will show me all the posts that I scheduled. So those are the past ones, and this one is the post that I just scheduled. And it will show me the account or the platform that the clips are scheduled. If you change it to the week view, you can see a preview of the video, and if it's a feed view, there will also be the descriptions of the post and everything. So making your life much more easier, that you don't even need to purchase accounts from Buffer or other platforms that does the schedule for you. And you can manage all your social media platforms just in this Vizard calendar, which makes it so powerful. All right, so going back